Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video lesson, we are going to learn how we can draw various patterns using nested loops in C. Our today's pattern is this is pattern of stars. In today's pattern, we have 5 rows and 10 columns. So these are 5 rows and number of stars in a single lines means number of columns. Creating such patterns is very easy for us. First of all, we need to focus on number of rows in our pattern. In our case, number of rows equal to 5. So our outer loop will execute 5 times and it is fixed. Now we are going to focus on inner loop. Note that inner loop controls number of columns, that is number of stars in one line. In our case, number of stars are 10, so inner loop will be executed 10 times. Now it's time to do it practically. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop. Select new from the file menu. First of all, I am going to draw our pattern in comment /star and */. This is multi-line command. Okay. So our pattern is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 star in one line, and we have 5 such lines in our pattern. That is number of rows equal to 5. So this is the pattern. So number of rows equal to 5 and number of columns equal to 10. So number of rows, this is outer loop, and number of columns is controlled by inner loop. Okay, so let's start. Void main. We need two variables, int I comma j, scalar str, for outer loop which controls number of rows. Okay, so for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Okay, this is outer loop. Now we are going to write inner loop. So for j equal to 1, j less than or equal to 10, j plus plus. This is inner loop which controls number of stars in one line or one row. Okay, printf star one space semicolon. Okay, now I'm going to add one printf here, printf backslash n. This printf is mandatory. This printf will move the cursor to the next line after inner loop is completed. That is, when the inner loop draw 10 stars in a single line. Let's run it to see the output, but before that I'm going to use this getch here. Saving the program, say pattern 1, compiling it and executing it. So we have our pattern ready. Now let us see how our program works. So outer loop, inner loop, output. Okay, outer loop I equal to 1. When the value of I is 1, the control enters inside the loop because the condition is true. 1 less than or equal to 5, condition is true, so control enters inside the loop. Here j equal to 1 to 10, inner loop executes 10 times, so definitely output will be 10 star. After printing 10 stars, the control comes here and this statement move the cursor to the next line. So here, now again the control comes here, outer for loop, it increment the value of I by 1. After that condition gets checked, so 2 less than 5, condition is true, so here I equal to 2, 2 less than 5, less than or equal to 5, condition is true, so again this loop executes j equal to 1 to 10 and it will produce same output, that is it print 10 stars again. After that, in next iteration the value of I will be 3, and again the inner loop prints 10 stars on the screen and the loop gets executed for the value of I equal to 4 and I equal to 5. When the value of I is 6, the outer loop condition is false and outer loop terminates. So this is how program work. Hope you find this video tutorial helpful. In the next video lesson we will see another pattern. Till then, bye. Thanks for watching.